Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we will discuss about conditional statements if, else. Example. In our previous class, we already discussed about conditional statements. There we have discussed about how if, and else is going to execute. So with this example, you are going to get better understanding when we are going to use if, if. So please watch our previous class and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, write a program to suggest diabetic medicine based on the below table. So according to the table, our program has to suggest the customer about the diabetic chart. Let's take that. Based on the blood glucose level, they are going to give this. So for understanding purpose, we have taken some values. These are not the exact values. If blood glucose level is greater than 90, you have to consult a doctor. If it is between greater than 80 and less than or equal to 90, you have to take 20 mg tablet. Otherwise, if it is between 70 and 80, greater than 70 and less than or equal to 80, you have to take 15 mg tablet. That is the suggestion your system has to provide for the user. If it is between 60 and 70, greater than 60 and less than or equal to 70, then you have to take 10 mg tablet. Otherwise, if it is below 60, below or equal to 60, you can stop using medicine. These are the suggestions your system has to provide, your code has to provide. If the user enters the blood glucose level, according to that, you have to suggest this. See here, you have to check for a sequence of conditions. Sequence of conditions, these are the different conditions you have to check. In our last class, when we discussed if, else if, when we are going to use if, else if. If there is a sequence of conditions you need to check, then we have to go with the if, else if condition. So hoping that you already know how it is going to execute. Anyhow, we are going to discuss this with how to write the code. Let's take this code: public static void main of int bg is equal to 78. Bg means here blood glucose level is 78. Our code is if bg greater than 90. This is one condition. You have to display consult a doctor. If this condition is not satisfied, then it is going to check the next condition, else if bg greater than means blood glucose greater than 80 and less than or equal to 90. If it is between this condition, both conditions has to be satisfied. Then only the entire condition is true. These discussions made when we discussed about logical operators in our previous classes. So if this condition is true, then system dot take 20 mg tablet. Otherwise, if this condition is false, then check the next condition, else if bg greater than 70 and bg less than or equal to 80. So now bg is 78. This condition is satisfying. It is between 70 and 80. If this condition is satisfied, it will go inside, it will display this statement, take 15 mg tablet, and it is stop executing, stop checking the remaining conditions, remaining else if conditions, and else condition is not going to check. It will stop here. And it keeps on continuing the remaining statement below else, if it is there. Here in our example, there are no statements. If below there is some code to execute, it keeps on continuing the remaining statements below else statement. So this is how it is going to execute, else if this condition satisfied 70 to 80. So it will stop here. It will display, it will execute this body and stop here. Let's take one more example. If bg is equal to 60, if you take first condition, false. It will check the second condition, false. It will check the third condition, false. It will check the fourth condition, false, greater than 60, but our value is 60, else. All the if conditions are false. Then it is moving to else statement. Else system.out.println now stop using the tablet. It is going to display, it will suggest you, stop using the tablet. So this is a simple code, but this simple understanding will help you a lot in writing the code for the complex examples. Hope you understand this example. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.